welcome to my channel. This is part 3. I hope you enjoy and subscribe. It's a truck part. I promise that it will come soon. I hope you will watch it and see what will be secret at the end. You will find out what will happen. We start off with this car over here. It's a monster truck. It opens like this guy. It's like, oh no. Let's test him out. Let's see how it goes. Whoa, that was fun. He was big and massive and strong. He was great. This blue engine truck and it's dirty, it's rusty like in part 2. Like this Jeep over here, it's rusty. And this car, it's not rusty enough. How about this? Ooh, that was fun. How about this car? Like Cheese Toasty. He's like the grave digger. How about this? A semi-truck. A semi-truck. Red and blue. It's a monster truck, semi-truck. Cheese, it made a big line. And I can see the yellow car. Let's move up to this big car. It's bigger than all of the Hot Wheels, even this one. Because you know that the wheels are bigger. It's a rescue truck. Let's see. Ooh, that was fun! How about this truck? It's white and this is my baby brother one. He drew it and it made it real ruined, so I just wanted to try it. Let's try it. That was fun. We're getting off to a very big car, and it's here. It's the biggest car. It can open, engine it, back in it. Let's move up to this car over here. It's fine, like the one that I told you. Cheese Toasty. No, I don't like that Cheese Toasty. How about this thing? It's rusty. I told you. Cheese. That was cool. Cool. How about this car? It's blue and the wheel's broken like this. Let's find it out. Ooh, that was fun. It like jumped in. This rusty big car that my baby brother painted. And it's like, cheese. Let's test it out. Oh, that was cool and fun and crazy. How about this car over here that I really want to see what it does? Yeah, it's fine. How about this very, very dirty car? I don't know what's in made out. I baked it. It made a car. How about this very fun Lamborghini? You can see that screen. It opens doors like the other cars, like the monster trucks and the Hot Wheel car. Now moving up to the biggest car. Part 3 is the end. I hope we have to have the Cheese Toasty. The Cheese Toasty is ready. You can see the cars. Let's dump it in. Oh, that was fun. You can see it made bubble. This is the end of the part 3. I hope you enjoy it. And we're gonna clean the cars. There's another episode that the part 4 is coming. It's just cleaning up. You're gonna start at part 1 and see all of them will get cleaned up. I hope you see what it looks like next. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have some bubble.